Hello all, this is Ranjit Nath. I am feeling gratitude to tell you all that I have started my internship program on data science and business analytics at the Sparks Foundation. This is my first task, which is the prediction using supervised machine learning. And the task is predict the percentage of a student based on the number of study hours using supervised machine learning. I have used Python as my coding language here and Jupyter Notebook as my IDE. This is the particular dataset. You could see there are numbers of data with two columns, hours and scores. I have used simple linear regression model for this task. It is used to find the relationship between two continuous variables by fitting the best line. One will be the independent variable and the other will be the dependent variable. I have imported the required libraries here, namely NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib and Seaborn. I am importing the data and storing it with the variable name called as dataset. And I'm checking out the data here, which is understanding the data. Dataset.head, dataset.info, which shows us that there are 25 non-null values in both the columns. Dataset.describe and dataset.shape. This shows us that there are 25 rows and 2 columns. I'm doing exploratory data analysis here. Pairplot from Seaborn has been used to plot all the possible numerical columns as the same output. Scatterplot from Matplotlib library shows us the plotting graphs of hours and scores. I have used hours as my x-axis and scores as my y-axis here. I am splitting the data into independent variables and dependent variables. For independent variables as x, I have used hours, and dependent variables as my scores percentage. I am printing out the x here. I am using train test split method from scikit-learn library. This is used to split the data into training set and the test set. This test size 0.3 denotes us that 70% of data is used as my train data and balance 30% of data is used as my test data. Here I have kept random state as 101. I'm importing the linear regression model and creating an instance and setting it as the name as LR. I'm fitting the model here with my train data. You could see here that I have plotted only the train data here. And I am predicting the model with my X data and storing it as spread. Here I am plotting only the test data. This blue color line shows us the linear regression model, which is the best line. I am importing R2 score, mean absolute error, mean squared error from scikit-learn library. These are the outputs. I am testing the model with our own data, which is RSAS 9.25, which shows the output as 94.29%. So thus we conclude that if a student studies for 9.25 hours per day, he or she will score 94.29%. Thanks for your patience.